how to download and set up DaVinci Resolve on your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to download and set up DaVinci Resolve, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just simply go with your browser, and from your browser, you need to search for DaVinci Resolve. Once you've searched, you need to go with the official website, DaVinci Resolve, and then you need to just simply scroll down, and you may find the download option right here. In my case, I have a free download now option right here. Click on the free download now, and it will have this kind of interface. You'll be able to download DaVinci Resolve 20 or DaVinci Resolve Studio 20. You can choose any one, and then you can go with Mac OS for Linux, Windows, or Windows ARM. In my case, I'm just simply going selecting the Windows option. Once you click on Windows, it will give you this kind of interface. You need to enter your details like your first name, your last name, your company name, and then your email address, your phone number, your country, your street, and then your city, your state, your zip code. After entering all of your details, you need to go with the right side and then enter your product information. And then you can write some description about DaVinci Resolve, and then you need to go with register and download, which will be in the bottom, and it will start the downloading process. Or you can also go and log into your account. If you already have an account, just simply go with login right here. And once you've logged in, you'll be able to download. So enter the email address and then the password, and then go with login. And once you've logged in, just simply go with install or download, and it will start the downloading process. So once you've logged in and once you click on download, as you can see that the file has started the download process. Just wait for a few minutes or a few seconds and it will be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you need to click on the file that you've just downloaded, and then it will ask you if you want to install it. You need to just simply click on install. And in this way, you'll be able to download and set up your DaVinci Resolve. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.